because they love me.
So you have you had experience with the woman in a relationship.
But we didn't do kiss.
Yeah, just boyfriend girlfriend.
Because they love me.
A woman. So how old are you that time?
Grade 9 ako. 18?
18-year-old.
Already long hair.
And then they become your girlfriend, even you know you're a lady boy.
Yeah.
Really?
It's just joke, but time goes.
And then they think you are her boyfriend now. Do you fall in love with them?
No.
So why did you agree to be their boyfriend?
Because of my friend.
She's the one wants you to try a woman. Said try to have a girlfriend, which is you did.
But they didn't work.
It's okay because you're a woman.
Yeah.
So, to girlfriend, how long you guys been relationship? How many months?
6 or 5.
5 months. But you never kissed them. Why not?
Yeah.
Yuck, though. What's wrong with the woman? Have you touched? Have you touched? Because I know. Have you had experience to touch a woman boobs?
No.
Never.
Yes.
Oh, okay.